20 Crazy Facts You Didn't Know About Vin Diesel. 1. Mark Sinclair was born July 18, 1967 in Alameda County, California. 2. He has twin brother, Paul. 3. His mother, Delora Shirlene Vincent, is an astrologer. 4. Diesel has stated that he is of ambiguous ethnicity. 5. His mother's background includes English, German, and Scottish. 6. He has never met his biological father, and has stated that all I know from my mother is that I have connections to many different cultures. 7. Diesel has self-identified as definitely a person of color, and has stated that his parents' relationship would have been illegal in some parts of the United States due to anti-miscegenation laws. 8. He was raised in New York City by his Caucasian mother and African-American stepfather, Irving H. Vincent, an acting instructor and theater manager. 9. Diesel made his stage debut at age 7 when he appeared in the children's play Dinosaur Door, written by Barbara Garson. The play was produced at Theatre for the New City in New York's Greenwich Village. 10. His involvement in the play came about when he, his brother, and some friends had broken into the Theatre for the New City's space on Jane Street with the intent to vandalize it. They were confronted by the theater's artistic director, Crystal Field, who offered them roles in the upcoming show instead of calling the police. 11. Diesel remained involved with the theater throughout adolescence, going on to attend the city's Hunter College, where his creative writing studies led him to begin screenwriting. 12. He has identified himself as a multifaceted actor as a result of early difficulties finding roles due to his mixed heritage. 13. Diesel's first film role was a brief uncredited appearance in the drama film Awakenings, 1990. 14. He then wrote, directed, produced, and starred in the short drama film Multifacial, 1994, a semi-autobiographical film which follows a struggling multiracial actor stuck in the audition process. 15. The film was selected for screening at the 1995 Cannes Festival. Diesel made his first feature-length film, Strays, 1997. An urban drama in which he played a gang leader whose love for a woman inspires him to try to change his ways. Written, directed, and produced by Diesel, the film was selected for competition at the 1997 Sundance Festival, leading to an MTV deal to turn it into a series. 16. He was then cast in Steven Spielberg's 1998 Oscar-winning film Saving Private Ryan on the poignancy of his performance in Multifacial. In 1999, he provided the voice of the title character in the animated film The Iron Giant. 17. Diesel had a major role in the drama thriller Boiler Room, 2000. 18. He got his breakthrough leading role as the anti-hero Riddick in the science fiction film Pitch Black later that year. 19. Diesel attained action hero stardom with two box office hits, the street racing action film The Fast and the Furious, 2001, and the action thriller XXX, 2002. 20. In 2004, Diesel reprised his role as Riddick in The Chronicles of Riddick, which was a box office failure considering the large budget. He also voiced the character in 2 spin-off video games. In 2005, he played a light-hearted role in the comedy film The Pacifier, which became a box office success. Citation needed.